The next question is, a second order control system is represented by theta naught double dash plus 4 theta naught dash plus 25 theta naught equal to 25 theta c. So this they have given in a differential equation form. So what we need to find out here, determine the damping ratio, that is theta, natural frequency omega n, and damping factor, that is omega into theta, and damping frequency of oscillation, that is omega d, peak time, and overshoot for a unit step input, that is maximum overshoot, percentage of maximum overshoot we need to find out here by using this differential equation. See, we have to write this, the given in the form of differential equation, that is d square theta by dt square plus 4 into d theta by dt plus 25 theta equal to 25 theta c. So we have write it in the form of differential equation. So for this differential equation we have to take a Laplace transform. So what is the Laplace transform form? See here, d square theta by dt square is s square into theta of s plus 4 into theta of s, 4s into theta of s plus 25 into theta of s equal to 25 theta c. So this is the Laplace transform of given differential equation. So after that we just take in theta naught of s is a common. So we got s square plus 4s plus 25. So if we have taken theta naught s is a common, we get an s square plus 4s plus 25 equal to the same, the right up part is same, that is 25 theta c of s. So we need to take the transfer function here. What is this? The transfer function is output by input, that is theta naught of s by theta c of s equal to 25 whole divided by s square plus 4s plus 25. This in the form of transfer function, second order transfer function. We have to compare this in the form of second order transfer function, that is omega, see here, omega n square, that is 25 whole divided by s square plus 2 theta omega n, that is 4. 2 theta omega n is 4 plus omega n square, that is 25. So we order to compare this equation with the characteristic equation for a second order standard form. So we compare both the equations and we will write the natural frequency. What they have given here, see, what we need to determine, the damping ratio, that is omega n, the damping ratio, that is theta, and natural frequency, that is omega n, damping factor, that is theta into omega n, damping frequency of oscillation omega d, and peak time and maximum power peak time. So what they are given, by using this characteristic equation we need to find out here natural frequency, that is omega n square equal to 25. Omega n is root 25 and we got the value omega n is 5 radian per second. This is the natural frequency. Similarly, we need to find out the damping factor. So what is the damping factor here? Theta into omega n. What is that? Theta into omega n. How to find out theta omega n? So we know 2 theta omega n equal to 4 by comparing the second order characteristic equation. So here theta omega n we taken and the 2 will get right side part. So 4 by 2 is 2. Theta omega n we got 2. Similarly, we need to find out the damping ratio, that is theta. So how to find damping ratio? See, we got a value theta omega n. Just substitute the theta omega n equal to 2 and theta equal to 2 by omega n. Omega n value we found out 5. So you just substitute here omega n value. So theta equal to 0.4. After that, damping frequency of oscillation, that is omega d. What is the omega d formula here? Omega d equal to omega n root of 1 minus theta square. That is, we need to substitute the omega n value and theta value. We got the theta value as 0.4 and omega n is 5. So the final answer is omega d is 4.582 radian per second. This is the damping frequency of oscillation. Similarly, peak time. Peak time is pi by omega d. So we just found out the omega d value. Just substitute here pi by 4.582. That is Tp equal to, that is peak time, equal to 0.685 second. 0.685 second. Similarly, maximum peak overshoot, that is MP, equal to e to the power of minus theta pi whole divided by root of minus 1 minus theta square. So we just substitute the value of theta and we got the value as maximum peak overshoot is 0.253. So this is the given second order control system. Just we ordered to write it in the form of differential equation. After that we need to take in Laplace transform of this differential equation and we just compare the transfer function for a given value of theta of s by theta c of s and the second order characteristic equation. Just we need to compare this and we'll write the, we'll found out the damping ratio, natural frequency, damping factor, damping frequency of oscillation and maximum peak overshoot.